I agree wholeheartedly, Your Honor, that we need to track all of these convictions. In fact, in our budget presentation, we asked for funding for the creation of the Office of the Ombudsman Marshal, which will be given that responsibility to track the status of all the persons in jail or sentenced to jail or accused, so that we will have a complete inventory of the people who are being charged in the court, in our legal system, Your Honor.
Alam po natin na ang meron lang witness protection provided by law ang Department of Justice. I was looking over the materials provided by your office. I did not see any suggestion or proposal for that kind of program. May I have your views on that, sir?
That's also, Your Honor, thank you for the question, because that's also one of the functions of the Ombudsman Marshal that we are creating this year, because there has to be a special body undertaking all of this. Even the service of subpoenas and other functions have to be done by our own people, and we can always delegate it to the police, Your Honor, but we feel that we can be more effective if we had our own marshals to do it, Your Honor.